Hi, I'm Maeve with Garmin Product Support. Today I'm going to be changing the data fields on my Edge 530. Press and hold the power key to turn on the device. Using the left arrow keys, navigate to the main menu and scroll down to Settings. Select Settings with the upper right button. Select Activity Profiles. Here you can select to create a new activity profile or select the profile you want to configure. Scroll down and select Data Screens. In this menu, you can choose to add new or configure other screens such as Screen 1. For this video, I'm going to select Screen 1. Scroll to Layout and Data Fields. Using the up and down keys, you can select to add more or less data screens. Press Enter when you have selected the number of data screens you would like. Now you will be able to select which fields you would like to change. You can choose to pick specific fields such as speed or distance, or choose from popular fields. After you have selected the fields you want to change, use the left arrow key to select Done and press the Enter key. Tap the back key to exit the main menu. You can go into the activity profile to confirm you have selected the fields you want. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, go to support.garmin.com.